snaps, and I roam free. I roar so loud in the jungle deep. Guess my name, can you take a try? It's a tiger! Roar! I give you milk, I'm black and white. I say moo both day and night. Who am I? Can you name me now? It's a cow! Moo! I purr and meow, I'm soft and sweet. I love to nap and curl my feet. Who am I? Can you guess my name? It's a cat! Meow! I'm the king with a golden mane. My roar shakes the savanna plain. Guess my name, I'm fierce and proud. It's a lion! Roar! I snap my jaws and have scaly skin. In rivers and swamps you'll see me swim. Guess my name, can you say it now? It's a crocodile. Snap, snap. I'm black and white and love bamboo. I climb up trees and eat it too. Who am I? Can you name me quick? It's a panda! Much, much. I'm big and strong with a horn or two. I stomp around and eat plants too. Who am I? Can you guess me now? It's a rhino! Stomp, stomp. I lived long ago, so tall and grand, with a long tail L and a mighty stand. Guess my name, I'm from the past. It's a dinosaur! Roar! I flutter by with wings so bright. In gardens I'm a lovely sight. Can you guess my name so small? It's a butterfly! Flutter, flutter! I gallop fast, I love to run. On a farm or field, I have my fun. Who am I? Guess my name today. It's a horse knave. I bark and wag, I'm a loyal friend. I'll stay beside you till the end. Who am I? Come guess my name. It's a dog. Woof! Woof! Woof!